again from OGS Mechanics and Car Key Solutions Workshop, where today we've got a Mercedes, another case of security upgrade because the insurance have requested. So I want to touch base on a few aspects which I hope they're going to bring some value. So first of all, this is a model S-Class 223 built from 2020 onwards. And one interesting aspect we are discussing today. So if we look behind like a year ago, the things has changed dramatically from the insurance point of view, whereby in order to insure a vehicle, now they are requesting a Ghost to be installed. Ghost is, as said in so many videos before, one of the most advanced security system on a car. The things has changed. I was saying that a year ago, to insure such vehicles, high-value vehicles, this is a 2023 models, but anyway, is a keyless technology vehicles. To have such a vehicle insured, the insurer were insisting in having a tracker. So the things has changed. They no longer want trackers as the main measure to protect the vehicle they want to go. So we also said previously, prevention is better than cure, because Ghost prevents the car from going as opposed to the tracker that helps to have the car retrieved after it's gone. So I think it's a very wise approach, which is getting more and more implemented, and it should really bring down the theft numbers on the vehicle. So on this S-Class, we installed the Ghost. We just want to show you, give you a glimpse the way it works on this particular vehicle. And this is equally important because each vehicle has a different way that it operates. Said in previous videos, on some it will block the engine from starting, others will block transmission, gear from engaging. On this particular one, it will allow initial crank, but the engine will cut down afterwards. So we're just going to show you now how it works, just so you can have a bit of understanding, more understanding about how the Ghost operates. I think we're going to need to have the key with us. Let me just pop it, get it across. So you get into the vehicle and you would attempt to start the engine. Obviously, keyless technology. You would attempt to start the engine, put on a brake. The engine sees that it starts, but then it cuts out. What happens, we're jumping from a subject to another, but it's also important that if the Ghost is not disabled and the starting is attempt, some warning lights, they might come a dash, but it's just not real error. So in this situation, we're going to cycle the ignition without having the foot on the brake. We're going to enter in the disarming code, which on this vehicle, just going to show you on this S-Class, on any car, on cars, the disarming code is formed from a different buttons inside the vehicles. On this particular one, there are buttons on the center console. Not going to show exactly the combination, although it's a generic, but this disarming code can be changed, and it can be made up of a combination from 4 to 20 presses, and as you can imagine, you can have a massive variation of combination. So don't want to film that. We're just going to disable the Ghost, and I just want to show you what exactly is happening. So after we inserted the disarming code, have you seen the lights? They were flickering twice, indicating the Ghost is being disabled, deactivated. So the engine starts now absolutely fine. So this is the way it works, the Ghost on the car. Now, another aspect that I want to touch base on is on disarming the Ghost. There are two ways to disarm the Ghost, and I always advise the customers according to the type of use. So there's a manual way where you get into the car, switch on the ignition, and you type in the disarming code, wait for the confirmation, and then you can drive or start the engine. And the other way, which offers a bit more convenience, is to use a connection with a mobile phone. And if the phone is connected with a Ghost device, the system gets disarmed when you approach with the phone to the car. So no need to get inside the car and type in the code. You can start the car and then the Ghost will deactivate you straight away. Gives a lot more convenience, um, but there's something that you need to bear in mind because with the phone convenience function, the phone might disable the Ghost when you don't want to. So it's really important to understand exactly how this operates, but you can have some convenience feature with this. So I think this video might have give you some useful insight on how the Ghost operates on this particular model, and also what I have highlighted, the shift on the insurance approach towards the vehicle security. So Ghost, it seems to be in high demand to reduce the number of the vehicle theft, and it seems that it does a very good job on the statistics from the market. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in a comment below. We'll be more than happy to assist and advise. See ya.